Hey everyone, it's NASCAR Nevin. Welcome to my log right now. Uh, it's it's uh it's a pretty going to be pretty busy day today and tomorrow and Friday. Or just come on. um, yeah, it's gonna be a pretty busy day. Today and tomorrow and Friday, because today I'm gonna go to the food bank and um you can tell I got something in my I'm all the time doing that. I don't know why it's doing that. Um yeah, I'm gonna go to the food bank because I'm being almost out of food like a little bit, but the top is getting pretty bad, but the bottom is still like so. Um yeah, but right now, happy more Happy Memorial Day from this day, everyone, to what happened to people died in the war about a year ago. So happy Memorial Day, everyone, about that list day. Sorry I didn't get back to you list day because I was pretty busy doing something and doing a lot of things going on right now. So, but you can tell that I'm going to put the light on, so I'll put you guys down. Um, you can tell that I got my coffee right now. um, Coffee time. Coffee. Uh, let's see, we'll put it over here. And put you guys over here. So, but tomorrow, I'm going to the train, cause I'm just gonna, get away for a while. I just need to get away for a while. Um, right now, just Friday is gonna be a real busy day, so for me, but so I hope I'm gonna get paid doing this for everyone. Um, I set it up online, but I hope that I can get paid doing this. So because I need money pretty bad. So I'll put you guys down in here so you can tell that making iced tea women. My camera's like moving a little bit. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty busy day for me today and tomorrow and Friday. So can't wait. So. Uh, mm. so so right now, I'm just getting ready for um for today and tomorrow. I gotta get ready for that too. So, alright, everyone, I'm gonna close my log. So I'm gonna have my coffee and I gotta hit the shower today. And, get things ready for today. So, big subscribe to me if you like this channel or not, and Guys, I still miss my ex girlfriend off and on. She lives in Rhode Island, and she's like not thinking because I was talking to my ex girlfriend, and she said it was not my fault because it was her fault, and she and I don't know. Hopefully I hear from her soon because I never hear from her my text message or nothing. So I don't know. So alright, everyone. Well, if you like this channel or not, make thumbs up me, and we'll catch you sometime when I get back for a busy day for a while. So we'll catch you next time. Okay? See ya, everyone.